Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm not cooking today, my son is cooking, and this is Kris.
Hi, how are you guys?
That's Kris there.
He's our oldest of 5.
I'll be watching every step he does to make sure he does a good job. But he's got this beautiful chicken and rice meal that he makes and he's making for us. He's come down to help Papa. So we'll be right back with this. Okay.
I'd like to correct the dish, actually. It's actually called Apricot Chicken.
Chicken and rice. Like I said. Apricot chicken.
So what you need for this would be 3 cans. The other can's right there.
I don't believe you. The viewers won't believe you. There.
3 cans of apricot halves. What you want to do...
Those are nice cans.
Oh, they're strained already?
Yep, they're already strained.
Come that way.
What you want to do is you want to dice them.
Can you buy diced already?
No, you cannot. I like them small and thin, like that.
Whoops, show me again.
Like that.
Okay.
It makes it for the sauce. You don't want it too chunky, because then you're going to have the taste more apricot than sauce.
Makes sense.
And we've noticed that it's very hard to find apricots in our grocery store. So we had to go to a specialty store, the dollar store.
We had to go to our dollar store.
Our dollar store to get them.
You traveled for these.
We traveled far and wide looking for apricots.
This is Chris's signature dish. He's been bragging about it.
Yeah.
I'm going to make it one day. I'm going to make it one day.
Today's that day.
20 years I said I was going to make it.
I know.
I make it for my small ones at home, and they love it.
You have midgets?
How many grandchildren were offered into our hearts by you? How many kids do you have?
6. My oldest one is 19. My youngest one is 6 months old.
She's a sweetie.
So you're going to cut up all 3 of these cans?
Yes, I am.
And we'll bring them back?
Yeah. We'll be back after these sponsored messages.
Station identification.
Who's doing the commercial?
Alright, so that's 3 cans chopped of apricots. Now what you want to do is you want to grab your Russian dressing.
How many?
2 bottles.
Okay.
2 bottles usually does very well.
We offered to make homemade, but apparently...
It's a little bit more sweeter.
Okay.
So
he wants the stuff from the store.
that's how I make it. I'm not used to. So you empty that. Thank you, my lovely assistant here.
Both wearing my aprons quite fashionably. Shake it, Kris.
So you want to make sure you get all the goodness out. So that's 2 bottles of Russian dressing.
2, not 1, 2.
And then you need onion soup mix.
What brand?
Dollar store brand. It don't matter.
Dollar Tree.
You open this up.
Just 1 packet, huh?
1 packet should do it, yes. But if you want to get extra spicy or extra more taste, so you can add to it. So then you pour it in here like this.
Achoo.
And then you grab your wooden spoon.
Ow.
Jeez. And then you mix
You felt that many a time, didn't you?
And then you mix it all together like this.
Okay.
Clockwise? Clockwise?
Counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise, okay.
Then you go clockwise.
What about the garlic powder?
That's not yet. That's
Okay.
coming up. I'll show you what I'm going to do. The garlic powder.
Are we bugging you?
So you want to mix it all up fine there. To it's consistently like that. You know what I'm
How
trying to say.
consistent is that?
Everyone take a taste.
Really?
Yep.
Where's your finger, Ben?
My nose.
Oh, that is tasty.
Okay, then what you want to do is make sure beforehand, not like I did, forgot to preheat your oven. You got to preheat your oven for 400 degrees. Then what we're gonna do next is get your trusty black cook thing here.
Okay, the cook thing, the roasting
The
pan.
roasting pan. And then
Knife in the sink, Kris.
thank you.
That's
Cut
dry.
open your chicken. My hands are clean. So what you want to do then
You just had it in your mouth. How can it be clean?
is line your chicken on the bottom of the
Should that
pan.
be coated first?
I'll show you.
Oh, maybe
That.
not.
He will show you.
Yeah.
Then you grab your
Who's getting the extra piece of chicken?
dad will, of course. And then you want to grab your garlic powder.
This is home dehydrated and ground, so it's a lot stronger than the store, just so you know.
I don't know. Usually when I grab an onion soup mix, I grab the one sometimes that has roasted garlic in it already.
Oh, really?
I never
didn't know
seen-
They
you
didn't
could
have
that.
any.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's onion soup mixed with roasted garlic in it. You sprinkle the garlic powder on like that.
You can tell we don't shop processed.
I live off process.
And yeah, with parents like us, you live on processed.
Well, no, not always, but I got 6 small ones in.
Yeah. More reason not to.
And then what you want to do is dump it
Oh, it smells good.
all
already.
in the
It does.
roasting pan.
You want the spoon?
Yes, please. Can you grab me the spoon there, my lovely assistant? Vanna White is off sick
There
today,
you go.
so
Oh no!
so you want to get all of the stuff out.
So you could have just done it in the roasting pan and saved a dish.
Yeah, but I don't mind doing dishes.
Oh!
Okay. You're
Oh!
on.
Did you ever think we would hear that from one of our children?
Not for me, that's for sure.
Not from him.
So you got that all out.
He likes doing dishes. Jen, he likes doing dishes.
So now we just wait for the oven to finish preheating.
And,
We put this in, uncovered,
okay,
for 45 minutes to about an hour.
okay,
Or into the chicken, you cut open your chicken and it's not pink.
okay. What are we having with it?
Rice.
And,
It's minute rice, so it doesn't take that long to cook. It takes about a minute or two.
so we're serving on rice?
Yes, we're serving it on rice.
Back when it goes in the oven?
No,
No?
nope. You just cook
No,
the
no, no.
rice.
Back when it goes in the oven?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. You let the rice sit after it's done doing its thing, and then when the meal's done and ready, it goes. You're good to go. Hi, welcome back. Now we're gonna put it in the oven because the oven is preheated. You don't need the top on. And there we go. Now, if you want to know what it was like, raised by the man who made the man tool.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Now, he's always one step ahead of me, though. When I was about 12, 13, he let us stay out in his tent trailer, me and a buddy of mine. Well, me and my buddy had some beers saved in our backpacks and some cigarettes
Saved.
saved.
Yeah, where'd you get them?
That's not where I'm going to discuss where I got them. I don't want to incriminate anybody. So, he already was a step ahead of me. He knew what I was going to do. He watched me walk out, look up at the window, go like this to my friend, and then we took off. So, we already drank our 3 beers, and then we started having cigarettes. Then I seen a guy at the school across the street walking towards us. I'm like, oh no, stranger danger. So I flicked my cigarette, and all of a sudden, hey, what are you guys doing? And I'm like, nothing, going home. Then it turned out to be my dad. The man was always one step ahead of me. But now, I'm one step
Don't
ahead
poke
of him. Now this is what it's like
Don't!
every day as a child. Hi, and welcome back. Now we're gonna make the rice. My assistant left, just like my sons do when there's work to be done. So we're gonna turn the oven on high,
Stove.
stove. we're making them in rice, you need 2 cups of water. You can use chicken stock if you would like, but I decided to use water because I'm old-fashioned and like mine done a certain way. And you need 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, whichever you prefer. Dump that in. Dump that in.
Oh no, your apron's coming off.
Oh no, what shall I do? And then you want just a little bit of salt.
Oh, it's for Dad's eating it. No salt.
Well, it's...
No salt.
No salt? Okay,
No,
no salt.
0. No.
And then no salt.
No salt.
Okay, no salt. Now we just gotta wait for this to boil. And once that's done, you have 2 cups of rice. It's to feed all 3 of us, so it'll be enough. Now we're just gonna wait for this to boil. Bye-bye. Alright, hi, welcome back. My assistant is finally back after disappearing, but he's sitting down. So what I'm gonna do now is check it to see if the chicken is cooked thoroughly. So you don't want to mess with chicken. So I've taken a butcher knife and I'm cutting the chicken. And there we see the chicken is thoroughly cooked. And then you get a sauce like that.
Yeah.
So now we're going to plate up Daddy's dinner.
Right, Daddy's.
Hi, welcome back. So I plated the rice. You put your chicken on, then you add the sauce. Because it's kind of like a gravy in a way. It's apricot chicken gravy. And I made it for Daddy for Father's Day.
Father's Day. Thank you, son.
No problem, Dad.
Taste it. See what you think.
Hot. Hot.
Well, it did just come out of the oven. That's why we reopened.
Good. That was good. Now I will check the chicken. I like the gravy.
It's a sauce.
Oh, really good.
Yeah? Now we have the recipe. You can make it.
Yep. It's good. Thank you, son. Now.
You're welcome, Dad.
No. Now. I can't think of what the word is. Oh, okay. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget the notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And we'll see you next time.
Ding, ding, ding.